Pistol. Get it? I'm that nigga. MOB nigga. Throw my rap, throw my set. You better get back. The niggas ain't ready. Get the strap. Come and get me, and I'ma get your back strap a big heavy. Niggas know the kid is in the game, sound deadly. All under shut, then I told them no, don't trust nothing. Niggas out there, niggas in again, I bust all of them. Come on, dog, nigga, put their brains in the oven. You already know it ain't no love, man. So fucking stop bugging, man. Get them guns, then I'm busting. Niggas already know, nigga. Yeah. Get the concentrating on the game, said the little niggas got the gun, nigga got the kid that I'm scraping. Yeah, they got it caught up on the wrong block. Niggas pistol in the hood, son. Shot the wrong cop. They ready to get me. Come over in the hood, says whatever in my city. I'm in Columbia. Niggas know what I'm about. Niggas already know I'm about to bug them, y'all. Put the right under the gun, going do the rest. Keep shooting your chest. Niggas out there and then empty out your whole flesh. And I see your spirit leaving. Come to hell with me, son, you ain't believe me. Y'all, I'm the hell, the razor. Niggas didn't believe I was trying to be a god fucking praiser. But that nigga gonna put me down and raise me up. And you already know, gotta be living in hell, so fuck it. Come around, son, and nigga fucking with the kid. Now then that's a mistake that he shouldn't have made. Talking about Jesus, my son died for your sins. Man, fuck that. I try to respect that, young. Now I gotta throw more sins to your sins. You already know in your motherfucking presence, niggas see you, young. Come around with, surround me by no friends. Surround around me by electric fence. Son, fuck around and let me young. Yeah, be the fucking unit game president. This is all I get, son. No second chance to this game. See no love, so fucking young. Grab them slugs. No pistol. 2025, people say I'm gifted. You already know, son, too many lies that I took, nigga. You already know that short shit. You already know to get the clip, niggas already know, young. Niggas take your gear from you, kid. Come on, dog, like I'm Santa Claus from the evil days. You already know I'ma stand young at the blood bandana, bloody bars, son. There to play young niggas in the hood, spoil your face, nigga. You see my game. We ain't playing around this thing. Fuck around, see the boy John still from the projects. You see the smile on my face. Niggas already know, nah, I ain't carrying that object, not yet. Cause these niggas got that shit took and young. I'ma take it back. Then I got my squad young. We got the big baby guns ready to bust your shit up. AR-15, AK-47, boy, it gonna be alright. When we move, patient drains and your whole team exploding. When bombs are blowing up, niggas that we chosen, son. Niggas already know the business. Lil Pistol in this business. You already know these bitches always on my list. I'm getting them, kid. Evil. You already know, son, I'm coming around sick. I'm trying to be evil. Ain't nobody been fed to the kid, Lil Pistol. Now I'm that nightmare. I'm still rapping that darkness. You already know every year, nigga. They ever know it each day. I'm getting more heartless as ever. I'm thinking about chopping heads. I don't care about the weather. Come on, dog. Murder season approaching. Murder season start now, nigga. It's on your approach, man. Motherfucker, come around through the demonic spirit. Try to be a good guy, but they don't even pay attention it to the kids, say forget it. Come on, dog, ignoring all my good deeds. Come on, dog, yeah, shit I shouldn't have did, son. Now I make you bleed. Now ain't you pay attention to that, son. Yeah, part me trying to get me locked up in penitentiary. Can never be free like a slavery. Cannot nobody save me. So why the fuck I'm so busy then trying to save everybody else? Fuck around with me. Come around, I got no more shells that I gotta put in the clip. Gotta make them drip, blood or crip. I don't give a fuck who you ride with. I'm right here, boy. Looking for them kids, round whips. Thinking they doing it big. Come on, dog. Blocking this mind. Mob life, nigga. They already know, LIL Pistol, freestyle unit soldier. The mob life, nigga, turn to burning niggas. Hold up, little niggas, I'ma show you, I'ma burn your shoulders. Little nigga, anybody come around poaching ya. Niggas already know, bow down, cause you already know the king is here, son. They show me how LIL Pistol really burning soul ground. Come on, John, look at the kid, round Columbia Mall, looking for with the pop. Come around and got the cop every run the block, trying to make sure no pistol gets splattered, young like the red dot is at your head, young splattered. Come on down the hood, now these niggas they believe that. Still talking shit about the kids, son. Yeah, young, young, got a song for you motherfuckers out there, young, talking all that shit out your gums. I ain't got no more job now, so I need more guns and show them how the mob get the plotting and burning baddies up in anybody's house and walking through your apartment, every getting popped in your head. You fuck around, you dead, nigga. Give a fuck if you scared. LIL Pistol. That little nigga crazy kid. I'm the crazy kid. I'm still dead, nigga young. Why y'all on my dick? I'm in the shower in grass shoes. Niggas like they want a piece of this. Alright, come through the shower curtains, nigga. I'm get your whole body split. Come on, dog. You see, this is who they fucking dealing with. These little niggas are rookies trying to chew like fresh meat. And come on, dog, young, like some fresh cookies, son. You already know with the fresh sheet that I'm putting on your baddies. Niggas fuck around, forgot who I used to be, who I still am, young, more notorious than ever. And come on, young nigga, y'all news on the block, y'all already know, son. Yeah, y'all, yeah, and bury son to get that bang blurred up. Niggas already know, yeah, on the real, LIL Pistol in the game, young. Niggas already know they ain't thinking, son. Still, they ready to get killed, baby. Still, niggas always run the whip. You ever see they run so slow, dog? Yeah, see the wheel. Come on, dog, to cut they see LIL Pistol run away, and they like, what the fuck, man, young? As play like a bunch of kids they in Alpha 10 high school. I could come a bunch of kids, I could lay Alpha them fools, going after them, busting niggas with shooting tools. Come on, dog, nigga, it's a shootout. Everybody falling, nigga, fucking kids too young, get them down and trying to cover them, putting holes through your body. Then I'm gonna still get them. Hollow tips is sharp. Come on, dog, pointy as a motherfucker. Made sure aiming for anybody got a heart. Come on, dog. Anybody trying to take LIL Pistol apart? Come on, that ain't smart. Come on, somebody still aiming for the school. Fucking fools, get out, nigga. Yeah, it's close. Get that clue. Come on, dog. Nigga got a place to live. Come on, young, and they play like they wanna ride in whips. Come on, dog. What the fuck is wrong with these kids? You ever know you little niggas act younger than your kids? Come on, son, and dumb as shit. Fuck around with me. I'm the MOB motherfucker. Ride really on the game. Ride clean, nigga, and make your motherfuckers bleed. Come on, son, bloody in the game, bleeding in my street. Come on, son, I got this. This LIL Pistol real, young. Y'all forgot who used to be the hottest on the blame. When the two coming to these hoes, always looking at me now. Now I'm insane. Alright, young, insane. Winning through the rain, through the flames. Got me again. Got me out in this game. Asking for a spare change. I ain't ask for shit. I'ma take it. Motherfucker, just like you took my money when I gave it to you, so I ain't make it. Come on, dog, what the fuck is going on with these clues? Motherfuckers in the hood, son, you niggas are looses. Call me Lucifer, son, you about to lose your fingers. Come on, son, these niggas got it all twisted, dialing on their phones, dialing on the coffee instead of staying punk ass home. Come on, young, what you saying? Young, a game so strong. See through the darkness, yo, renew the business, nigga. Yeah, come and start your shit. Niggas already know the pistol in the block. Sit I'm in the dark, sit I'm not, nigga. Right now I'm bright like the season of Jesus Christ. This season, niggas in the hood, they fuck around with a pistol. Pistol in the hood, a baby boy up on the block. In the crazy dangerous on that block of dangerous. Aiming for them cause them niggas cannot see the me to fuck around with the fangs. And in the hood, spike your brains like the motherfucking chin on my motherfucking head. Come on, dog, do you care? Come on, John, not yet. Until you dead, motherfucker. MOB 2025.